Okay, we're gonna start with what? Let's see where we start today. This is euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar. Let's see if we can start with that. Okay, so anybody new in the house? Let me know if you are new in the house. Don't keep quiet, because there's a reason we are asking for new people in the house, so that we can show you our strategy. Okay, new people in the house, if you are new, let us know. Okay, is this today? Yeah, this is today. Okay, if you are new, let us know. Are you new in the house? All right, Morris Ngochuku, hello. Etwuruna, welcome today. Good stuff. Okay, so let's see. Okay, there's no new people in the house today. Excellent. So it means that we have to be... Oh, Frank is new. Okay, Frank, welcome. Okay, you are welcome. We're going to take care of you, don't worry. But we normally start very fast and then we slow down later on. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, fingers on the buzzer, please. Fingers on the buzzer. Okay, fingers on the buzzer. Okay, where is the trigger candle? Here. Is it candle 1, candle 2, candle 3? Trigger candle, please. Fingers on the buzzer. Fast. Fast. Fingers on the buzzer. All right. Anyone? 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 Great stuff. Great stuff. Okay, good. Excellent. All right, so we know this is candle number 1, right? And the other one is candle number 2. So most of you guys says it is number 2. Modern, welcome on board. Modern, good to see you. Broadcast, you're welcome. Mubarak 2, Jayesh 2, Shazmens 2, Ike 2, Mojalefa 2, El Kanem. Can't see anything, blue screen. Okay, what you need to do is refresh your screen. Okay, on your YouTube screen, just press F5, or you just refresh it, reload your screen. It will be clear. Okay, it does happen like that sometimes. Okay, good stuff. Thank you so much, everyone, for confirming that. So let's see why we are all saying 2. Okay, so the first candle here is half of it is inside the box, half of it, or more, even more than half, is outside, and less than half is inside. We're not interested in that kind of a candle. Hola! We are only interested in the candle that is completely outside of this zone, or this range, or this box. As we can see, number 1 does not qualify, but candle 2 do qualify. Okay, that is why you see all those people saying 222. They know exactly what they are talking about. So that's candle number 2. Okay, right. So that means at the end of candle number 2, when it closes, you are going short. So you're going to go into a short trade at the close of that candle. Okay, remember, when you go short, you put your stop loss just here or a little bit above that line, plus 1 or 2 pips. You can see why we do that sometimes. Okay, not all the time it does what it did right now, but sometimes it does get close to the line, and if you had a 1 or 2 pips above it, you will escape it. Even now, I think we escape it today. So now you have your sell position here. As we said, this line will be your stop loss, and your TP target 1 is this size of this box. So let's find out what the size of this box is. Okay, this box is a good size, 16 pips. The size of this box is 16 pips. So we are going to look for 16 pip profit as our TP1. Then we look for 32 pips as our TP2. We look for 46 pips. No, 32 pips as our TP2, 48 as our TP3, and so on and so forth. So your TP1 is the size of the box. TP2, the box multiplied by 2. TP3, the box multiplied by 3, and so on and so forth. You can get up to TP10 if you want. We have seen some trade that goes even up to TP8, TP7, TP9, TP10. It doesn't happen often, but it can happen. So you need to plan for it. Our motto is plan for the best, expect the best, and plan for the best, and the best will happen. Okay, good. Right, so it's not plan for the worst, because I know that is also a possibility. All right, so here we go short from here, and we're looking for 16 pips as our TP1. Okay, so from this line, let's see whether we get our TP1. 16 pips. Yes, we got TP1 when we got here. 16 pips. Did you get TP2 32 pips? Yes, we got. This is 37 pips. So on euro dollar today, you get your TP1 and TP2 on the first move. Let us see if there are more moves. Okay, there are no more move here, because I don't consider this one as re-entry. The only time you consider a re-entry is if this price, if it went back into the box and then start coming back down, then that is a qualified re-entry. Okay, so if it goes into the box and come back outside, then you can go short again. That is a re-entry signal. Good stuff. Any question? All right, good evening, says Devo Office. All right, good evening, good to see you. All right, let's move on. So for the new people, we're going to slow down now, because this is for you. Let's go GBP USD. All right, that could be a different thing for us. So let's analyze GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD. GBP USD. All right, there we go. Okay, so now it is time to teach the new people. So pay attention if you are new, and if you are a returning student, you still want more clarification, this is your chance. This is your chance. Okay, all right. As you can see, the magic box here, the SBS. Okay, SBS stands for Simple Breakout Strategy. Okay, we utilizes a box. This purple box, we utilize it, and it's just an hour. This is 1 hour of trading. The first hour of trading in the European market. So we want to target the first hour of trading of European market, which happens to be 7 o'clock in the morning, and that is 7 o'clock UK time. Okay, so if your broker is using UK time or GMT, then you don't have to do much. Just put 7 to 8 a.m. in your box. That is your time. But if your broker is different from GMT, like mine here is different from GMT, is 2 hours ahead, then instead of me saying 7 to 8 a.m., my box will be 9 to 10 a.m. Just 2 hours ahead of the London time. Okay, so let me show you the box quickly. Okay, this is the box. So you go indicator list. So you see the indicator is called sessions. It's a indicator for MetaTrader 4 platform. For the MetaTrader 5 platform, we have a version of it on the Telegram group. If you want it, you can go there and get it. So even this one also is on Telegram group, depending on your platform, whichever you want. All right, so this is session indicator. Let's see the properties. The properties are not many. There are different type of session indicator on the internet. You can get a different one, but this one is very simple. That's why we use it. So you have the Asian session if you want to set it. You have the Europe session available for your perusal. You have the USA session available to you as well. So for our own practice tonight, we usually start with Europe, then we move to Asia and also to USA. So because of the new people, we don't want to set all the sessions at the same time. It might be confusing. So let's start with with the euro session first. So if you don't want a session, just change the color to none. That's all. It will not show on your chart. Okay, as you can see, Asia will not show on my chart. American session will not show on my chart, but the Europe only will show because I set the color. So remember, I said 9 to 10 because I am using IC markets. Okay, I hope that is clear to everybody, including our new joiners. Okay, so welcome to the SBS family. Oh, Lufule, thank you so much. You register for the competition. You're on your way. You're on your way to prove yourself. You know, this is a challenge for yourself. You're not challenging anybody. You are challenging yourself. You are pushing yourself to the limit. See what you can do. Okay, excellent. Thank you so much, Olufule, for doing that. We are going to look at the competition as well tonight. We'll see how many have registered. So if you have not registered, because I'm going to give a shout out, so go and register right now before we get to that point. You know the link to register, don't you? Go there. All right. So now we have the box. Once we know the box is already formed, so look at the time. Look at this data window here. Look at when the box starts at exactly 9:00. As you can see, the next is 9:05. The next candle is 9:10. Next candle is 9:15. On and on until the last candle, 10 o'clock. Okay. Let me tell you this. If you are going to draw this manually, because it's so easy to draw it manually, all you need to do is start at 9 o'clock. Put a vertical line at 9 o'clock when you start. Put a vertical line at 9 o'clock. And also put a vertical line at 10 o'clock. But make sure the 10 o'clock candle is complete. Okay, because sometimes this candle will read 9:55 and will complete at 10:00. But a new candle will form at 10:00. Make sure that 10:00 candle is also complete. That will make up your box. So assuming there is no purple inside here, this is the box. One line at 9 o'clock, the other line at 10 o'clock. And then you draw an horizontal line at the high of that hour. Look for the candle that has the highest point, which of course is this candle, this first candle. And I believe this is the other candle with the lowest point. So you draw your high point and your low point. That's where you got the box. So you don't have to use the indicator if you know exact time you are dealing with. The only reason why we're using the indicator is to help us to look at what happened in the past. You understand? So we want to see what happened history-wise. Okay, so for example, if you want to see how this time plays out yesterday, all you need to do is just scroll back and then you see the box for yesterday. You see the box for 2 days ago, box for 5 days ago. But if you want to do it manually, that will be difficult to do every time, to spot check or to do manual back testing. Okay, so now we know the box is formed. So you draw your two lines, and then that is when you start looking for a candle that is going to be outside the box. The candle will be formed outside the box. That's what we call our trigger candle. But that candle must make sure it doesn't touch the line. If it looks like it's touching the line, avoid it. If you are not 100% sure, just leave it, because you want a clear signal. Okay, once you get a clear signal, you yourself, you know it's time to go market. All right, so let's see. The box finished here. So we have this first candle is in the box. We are not interested. Next one is in the box. We are not interested. Next one, we are not interested. This next one is trying to pop itself out of the box. We are not interested. We are looking for a candle that's completely outside. Look at the next one, halfway in, halfway out, not interested. Okay, the next candle is a very interesting one. Okay, to me, it looks like it's touching the line. Okay, though we can verify that by looking at data window but I don't want you to be doing that, because if it's too close, just leave it. Look for something that is clear with your naked eye. You can see it. Okay, so the next one is almost as exactly as the one we're talking about, and the next candle, this is clearly seen that is not touching this line. Okay, these other two, they are debatable. In fact, this one is actually touching because I can see that it is touching it, but the next one is clearly free. So that is your trigger candle. Okay, so once you find your trigger candle, what do you do next? You go long. Okay, at the close of that candle, ladies and gentlemen, remember it is at the close of this candle, not at the open, because you never know, it can the candle open here, and if you go long at the open, it might go down and touch this line, but you are already in the market. So you let the candle do whatever it wants to do at the close, when it is 100% guaranteed that it's no longer going to touch the line. That's when you go into the market. Okay, because once it's closed, this candle cannot no longer change. The candle is now fixed. All right, so you go long from there. Okay, we go long from that candle. All right, and once you go long here, you set your stop loss to the line below. The low of the hour is your stop loss, and your take profit target must be the size of this box. That's your TP1. Okay, which today is a good profit target. Let's call it 22 pips. 22 pips, that's what you are looking for, and you went long here. Let's see if you get it in this high line here. Let's see if you get your TP1 almost instantly. Let's see TP1. Yes, you did. This is like 29 pips. So in fact, how many you went into the market at this minute? So let me count the number of candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 candle of 5 minutes each. So that gives us half an hour. You hit your TP1, and that's it. You got your TP1. You are out if you have only one position open. Okay, so that is how it works. And right, so you got another chance here to go again and go into a position, but as I said, I would like to see a candle that comes inside and close inside, then come out again. Okay, some might have used this as a re-entry. You do okay, but principally I want to see something like this. This candle is completely inside, yeah, and if it goes back outside and give me a signal, then I know that is a buy signal. But these two candles, they haven't closed inside. They haven't, all of the candle is not inside yet. Okay, so if you take it as your entry point at the close of the, that's all right, but I will wait. Personally, I will wait until I see a candle this way that is completely inside, and when they come out again, that is a re-entry signal. So for GBP USD today, there is no re-entry signal here because there's nothing that is outside the box. They are all touching the line. Okay, there is a re-entry here. As you can see, this is a re-entry. Oh no, this is also touching the line. Okay, but this one is a re-entry candle. Okay, so you go short at the end of this candle. Okay, that's another signal at the end of this candle. And where does it go? Okay, that one didn't play out well. This one at the short here, because this is your stop loss, so you got stopped out here. So it means today you got TP1 on GBP USD and you got one stop out. Any question? Any question? Thank you so much. Lisa, how do I get the Telegram chat? Okay. All right, so it is time for Telegram chat then. It is time for Telegram chat. Let me find it for you. Let me find where the Telegram is for you. Okay, Telegram, here we go. So does it mean that you have never been on Telegram? Lisa, you haven't been on Telegram? Wow. Okay, good. All right, this is your chance. That is your chance to get the Telegram. Mohammed Omar is in the house. Please welcome him with open arms. Mohammed Omar is in the house. So click that thing, Lisa, and anyone else that wants to join the Telegram group. So let me show you the Telegram group. Okay. All right, I'm going to show you the Telegram group. Okay, Telegram group, here we come. All right, so this is the Telegram group. Okay, so currently we have 1,051 members in the group currently. Kudos to everybody that started this thing here. So every member, you are really appreciated and your contribution are immense. Great. I see a lot of people coming in now to make a solid contribution. So as one of you guys said, we are here to help each other out. We are here to become a better trader. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to give a shout out to somebody that is very important to us. It's also in this group. Okay, you can see this video here. Look at that name, Trader Newbie. Don't forget that name, okay? So he made this video for us. And what is the video all about? It's about how to register for the competition. So thank you so much, Trader Newbie. Fantastic job. Thank you. All right. So if you look at today's, so if you join this group, what you need to do first of all is to look at the file section. So you go into the file section here and you are looking for sessions MQ4. So you scroll down until you find your sessions MQ4. All right, if you are using MT5, that will be your own version, I believe that. But if you are using MT4, then where is it? I think it's there's so many of them now. So when you scroll, you will find it in one of these, right? So I think it's gone. We have many pages. So you scroll down, you find sessions MQ4. All right. So that will be about indicator, and you can see a lot of people here that are making great comment. People are asking questions. Hello, Donaldson. How are you? So it's asking, please, how can we get 200-day moving average indicator? Maybe somebody else will answer that question. And we got some people who are writing a lot of encouraging words. So that's great. And I see a lot of discussion going on as well. So this is where you want to be as a trader. You want to be where your colleagues are, planning for the best. They are looking for strategies, okay? Let me show you this trader's performance today. This guy has been honest with his trade and he has shown everything. The day he makes a lot of money, he showed it. And when he had a not a so good day, he also showed it. So that you know that this is not paper trading, or this is not just covering up the bad days. See, it took quite a lot of trades today, and he had 2 of them USD cards that hit a stop loss, okay, and he made little profit. But if you check this same guy maybe 2 days ago, he had a lot of success. So it's good to post everything. Don't hold back. Post the good ones, and the not so good one, post them as well. This is somebody else, okay? This guy had a good day today. All right, so he's trading Australian US dollar. He traded USD card as well. You can see the USD card shake a lot of people. It's the same USD card that shake the previous guy. So you can see that people are using SBS. They are not just trading anyhow, because you can see it's the same USD card that shook both of them. It means they're using the same strategy, right? Lisa, have you got it now? Have you got the you got the Telegram? Yeah, have you joined? So if you haven't joined the Telegram, this is your chance to join the Telegram. Okay, which registration? Okay, I'll show you very soon. It's a competition. All right, so this guy shows his result as well. Okay, so lots of discussions, guys. This is where you want to be. You want to be here, ask questions, and people will also post some relevant indicators that are similar, that can be of help. We tend not to deviate from our SBS strategy. If someone comes into the group and is trying to deviate from the strategy, we give them a strike. We warn them that, look, this is not every strategy in the forex market you want to do it here, because we will lose focus very shortly, very quickly. It becomes no rules, everybody says anything. So we keep it straightforward to the SBS strategy. So anything you have that will improve SBS is welcome. Look, maybe this guy is doing some videos, which we have done this type of videos before as well. So come over to this place. This is another person's result. This fella has a very good day today. Yeah, he has a good day. Is this today? No, this is not today. This is June 2nd. All right, is it? This is June 2nd, so it's not today's date. Let's see this one. Is this today's date? June 25. Yes, today is June 25. This is today's trade. You can see it had a lot of trade: pound, dollar, euro, Australia, euro, dollar, Aussie card, and he had 2 losses, and he had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 10 winners. Okay, so if you have 10 winners and 2 losses, that is a good return. Okay, thank you so much. So that's about the Telegram group. So you can come here and see a lot of results. Okay, a lot of results. Good. So people are strategizing how to make SBS better, especially how to filter out which currency pairs you want to trade and which other currency you should avoid. You know, so we have 28 pairs, and we have all of the indices and the rest. Okay, so come in here, make your contribution. This is another guy here. I think he also had a good day today. Excellent. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's go next. All right, so what do you want to see again, ladies and gentlemen? What do you want to see? Let's look at one more. Which one should we look at? USD chef, maybe. All right, so let's do let's put on the other zones. Let's put on the Asian session. Let's make that color that, and let's put American session on, and let's make it color that. Okay, so now we turn on the 3 sessions. Okay, we have the American session, we have the Europe session, and we have the Asian session. Okay, as you can see, in Asian session nothing happened really. It wasn't a trending day. In Europe here, this would have given you some pips, but it's not much. And in America as well, maybe TP1. As you can see, you get to the market around here, you make your TP1, and the market has been trending today. Okay, let's check indices. Let's check whether we have some indices that are doing well. Okay, let's check this one. This is Dutch Mark. Okay, Dutch Mark has done very well today. As you can see, in Asia market, you can have your one TP1. In Europe, doesn't look that particularly great. In America, yes, you can make TP1, TP2, TP3. Okay, Ifeanyi, good evening. You said SBS has a win rate of 70 to 80% back testing. Is that the win rate on a particular currency pair or on a session, or is it the win rate on a currency pair in different sessions? Okay, all right, so after testing for GBP USD on Euro session, that is the estimate, about 70 to 80%. JIS, you want to see JP225. JIS JP225. Let's see JP225. What have we got? It's here. Is this? Wow, it looks exactly like DE30. Do you notice? Look exactly like DE30. Let's try again. That is DE30 you are looking at. Let me drop JP225. Look, very similar because they are both indices, right? Okay, though one is Japanese, the other one is Dutch mark, is German. All right, so for JP225, good. You probably make your TP1 here, maybe close, very close. In Europe, you will make some pips or you come out break even. And in America, surely you make your TP1, 2, and probably TP3. Very good day for this one as well. But generally, it's never been a trending day compared to some other day. So if you go back, look at this yesterday. This is yesterday, more of trending. The day before, more of trending. Okay, and on this day also is not a trending day on that day. But nevertheless, you make good profit there. On this day, it wasn't a trending day. Okay, this one looks better. So this is the advantage of the box. If you have the box, you can see the history, what happened, like back testing. You can do visual back testing or paper back testing. Look, that's a very good trending day, and that also is a very good trending day. So you got days that are trending and you got ranging days. Okay, thank you so much. All right, so someone asked about the competition, so we're going to talk about the competition now. Okay, we are going to talk about the competition. Okay, what are we saying about competition? What we are saying is that SBS, we are setting up a competition for all the traders of SBS to join. Remember, right now we have over 1,000 members, and we want you to come and prove to yourself that you understand SBS and you can make money from it. You can use your demo or your live account. What we're after is consistency. We're after somebody who can be consistent in trading. Okay, so what we did was we opened up this. We went to this website here. It's called FS Blue. As you can see, Trader Newbie has just done a video for us. Okay, you want to confirm your registration? Okay, let's see. All right, so this is the competition. This company is owned by Owanda. I think most of you know Owanda. Owanda is a big broker, so they are independent company. So when you get there, you click competitions, and the competition will be, some of them will be active, that is the one that are currently running. Pending are the ones that is going to run in the future. And this is where we are, because we are starting on the 1st of July. So we are inside pending. Okay, so right, you see, look at the number here. This one is going to start on July 1st, just like ours. Ours is called Your Trade Mentor SBS Challenge. Already we have 20 registrars. We have 20 competitors there. They want to challenge themselves, see whether what you are learning under your roof, you can bring it to this place. You know, if you are veterans, I expect you to be here, right? Veterans, I want you to be here. Okay, so you click SBS Challenge. Okay, when you click SBS Challenge, it will open up the SBS Challenge for you, and then it will tell you who has registered. So the participant, depending on what you use as your ID, I believe, that is what it will show. Okay, these are all the people that have registered so far. Okay, I'm sure you are there. So what's your registration? Do you want people to know it? Because I don't know what your registration will be. So even if I click here, for example, it will just show me performance chart, ranking. So if I say performance chart, it will be empty because there's no trade yet. There's nothing to show yet. But when the trade comes, and this will show the ranking charts. Okay, so ranking chart shows how you are performing. So if you need to see the rules are here. The rules are very simple. I think we went through the rules yesterday. It will start on the 1st of July. Okay, so if you are SBS trader, you must be here. Okay, you can use demo or live account. All right, also you have to use the simple breakout strategy as taught by us here. Okay, whatever you have learned using SBS is what you are going to implement, but you are free to combine SBS with any indicator that will help you manage your trade. All we want to see is that you are taking your trade based on SBS strategy. Okay, it's very easy to show, right? So for more information, you can go to the YouTube channel to watch the videos. Remember, EA are not allowed. You are not allowed to use expert advisor, because that would be considered short changing other people. So we are going to start the competition with unused account balance of $1,000. So you are going to start with a fresh account of $1,000. So you can open a demo account, or if you are live account, you can use your live account as well. But if you want to open a demo or live account, you can use this broker. This is our broker. Okay, all right. So every other thing is a standard information. As we said, it starts on July 1st. You can join the competition at any time after the start. Okay, but the earlier the better. Okay, so now there's a little prize to be won. The prize is not the big thing, but your success is bigger than the prize. Okay, because whatever you learn from this competition will stay with you. It will be your own skills, your own skill set. Okay, and we will also be providing help during this competition. So those are the little prizes there available to be won. Winners may be required to give the competition organizer read-only password, which you already done. Okay, so note that you can only win one prize. Okay, to give everybody a chance of winning, a single trader can only win one prize. You can enter multiple positions multiple times, but you cannot win more than one time. So let's say you enter 5 different email addresses, and you have 5 different username, and you are the one that win all the 5 positions. It won't be fair to give you everything, right? You must be a genius if your 5 accounts win the whole competition, where you find another 200 or 300 people. So I will come and shake your hand though. Good stuff. So this competition is starting, and also your cash price will be paid via PayPal. But if you don't have a PayPal account, no problems. Just let us know whatever you are operating on, whether it's bank transfer or mobile money, whatever you have, just let us know and the money will get to you. So may the best trader win this competition. So to join the competition, you click this button here. You click here, join, and you click register. Okay, the video how to do it has been posted, as I said earlier, has been posted on Telegram. So you go to Telegram, you just scroll to today. Okay, scroll to today, almost nearly today. Here you will see this is it. This is done by Trader Newbie. You can search for Trader Newbie, or you just scroll. It's not too far away. Just scroll, you will find the video. Click it and it will play for. It's only 4 minutes video. It will play for you. All right, good stuff. Thank you so much. Okay, have you confirmed your registration already? Okay, yeah, so you used it and you had a stop loss. It's not uncommon, right? And don't be the stop, because you have a stop loss, is part of the game. Okay, it's not 100% win rate. So yesterday it was all playing positive. Today we have mixed results, but that is trading for you. Okay, there's no strategy that will give you 100%, but this is very good. It gives you a very high win percentage win. Okay, thank you so much. Any questions again? Okay, any more questions? Do you want to see more charts? Do you want to see anything else? Okay, now we have 3 sessions. So we have a US session, American session, we have Europe and Asian session. So let's look for, let's say we use US 30. This is US tech. Okay, look at that. For example, on that day is a perfect day for this strategy. As you can see here, you are likely going to make quite a lot of pips. Okay, here you are going to make your TP1, maybe TP2 before Europe. And when you get to Europe, you move your box to Europe. Your Europe box formed, you make your TP1, okay? And then you move to American session. Okay, American session, and then you make your, how many TP you are going to make in this one? Quite a lot of TP, maybe up to 6 TPs. Okay, so fantastic. The next day, the same thing next day, but you will find some days that doesn't work. This same day, fantastic. You notice our box are always at the turning points. Yeah, at the turning points. Fantastic day. This another fantastic day, another one. And then you get a day, even this day is a good day as well. So, but sometimes you might get a day that, you know, you have one stop loss. That's all right. Okay, so you're a newbie. So you are not a newbie. You have 10 years experience. So I know when I follow rules and when I don't, why YouTube strategy are good in YouTube but not effective in real. Okay, but you have seen a lot of real results here. Okay, you have seen quite a lot of real results on the Telegram. People have shown you their results, so you might want to join the Telegram group and ask questions there. See the results they are showing. When it was good, they showed it. All right, this is real result. When it was good, they showed it, and when it wasn't good, they showed it as well. All right, that's another result. These are real results, real people trading. Okay. All right, Olufwe, the competition is starting on the 1st of July. We're starting 1st of July, so that's about a few days time. So get ready, get your strategy ready, and off we go. Off we go. Off we go. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Who wants to see anything else? You want to see another chart? We are here to help as many as we can. This is what we have been doing for the last 10 years, ladies and gentlemen. So you can go to the YouTube channel and listen and hear what we have been doing. So our aim is to help as many as we can. So anybody want to see anything else? Okay, let's see if we can look at maybe metals. Let's see a metal. All right, let's see a metal. Yes, so this is an indicator. This is an indicator. It's called the session indicator. Okay, it's used to find different trading sessions. All right. Oh, you got confused with New York session today. All right. Well, it does happen. USD cards give a lot of false reading today. As you know, as you see the 2 results I show you. Let's go back to USD card. You see here, we don't shy away from anything. You know, we don't show you the good one and hide the bad one. No way. No way. We see everything. Everything is in the open. Okay, so let's see today. This is your USD card previously. Okay, you can see the box. This is previously. All right, great. Okay, so the day that is great, you enjoy it. The day that is not great, yeah, you take it on the chin. That's what trading is all about. Okay, so this is today, right? Okay, so let's analyze today's market for USD card, because we see that some of the guys, they recorded some stop loss. Okay, let's start. This is today, right? Yeah, this is today. So let's start at the Asia market, depending on the time you trade. So let's say you start the Asia market here for USD card today. So your box, you're going to start trading at the close of this candle here. As you can see, this is the trigger candle. That little candle, that doji candle is the trigger candle. So let's see how many pips we are able to make. So here we are able to make round about 11 pips, right? 10, 11 pips. What is the size of our box? Okay, what is the size of our box? Our box also is 8.99 pips. So you can see that in Asian session, you make your TP1 and off you go. No other trade. If you follow the strategy very well, ladies and gentlemen, you avoid a lot of false trade. Okay, but if you don't understand the strategy, or you are using a different method to get in, then it's different. Okay, so here, if you know the strategy, there's no trade here. Okay, and here as well, if you know the strategy, because you need to make sure the candle is not touching at all. Here there's no trade, here there's no trade, here there's a trade here. Okay, there's one trade here which will have stopped you out. So first of all, you got one trade here, you got a second trade here. That's two. Okay, now we move to Europe. Okay, you move to Europe. You can see even this trade is close to Europe session. By then, probably you will have been waiting for Europe to start before entering that trade. But let's assume that you have entered the trade. Okay, so you got to Europe. That's the first. I think this is the one that spill out a lot of traders today. This one here, where you go long here and you got stopped out. Well then, and then you got into another trade here. Actually, here is another candle. This one will give your TP1 at least. You get your TP1. So you got stopped out here and you cover up here with your TP1. And then you go to American session. You change your box size again. Okay. As you can see in American session, there's no trade here. There's one buy here, which is currently running. Okay. As you can see, it's still within. It hasn't got to a stop loss yet. You got into a trade here. So you have three trades. One winning, one stop loss, and the third one is running for USD card today. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that is clear. Thank you so much. The username 713. Thank you so much for the appreciation. Okay, the Asian session, we put it at 2 to 3. That is 2 to 3. We are talking of the 2 to 3 IC market. That will be 0 to 1 GMT. Yeah, 0 to 1 GMT. Okay. Yes, that's on IC market. You are correct. Neoma, you caught a few pips on the Asian session. Yes, that's good. I noticed that the Asian session is a quiet session. So it's a much quiet session. If you are a person that you don't want to deal with too much of high volatility, then Asia market will be something you can look at. Sometimes in Asia market, the box size is 10, 8, or even 7. So when you are in the Asia market, don't worry too much about smaller box size, because the average range of Asia market is the lowest. It's lower than the Europe session. It's much lower than the American session. You know, so very few percentage of the trade volume goes through Asia market. All right. Okay, very clear. Excellent. Very, very clear. Excellent. Great stuff. Any more question? Any more question? Okay, so let me quickly show you. The last thing I'm going to show you today is about TradeMentor.com, the platform that we are all going to go very soon for mentorship. As you know that I have said I'm going to start mentoring, and here we come. So if you have been waiting for this opportunity for a very long time, this is your chance. So I'm going to briefly show you what we are doing, okay, because you are part of it. You are integral part of it. Okay, so this is, there we go. So you know me already, you know the YouTube channel. Let's quickly show you the YouTube channel again, so you can link the two together. Okay, so this is the YouTube channel. I'm just gonna go there. The channel is here. Okay, this is the YouTube channel. As you can see, we are nearly 40,000 subscribers. We've been doing this for close to 10 years now, so we are not new at all. We've posted quite a lot of videos, so which has helped a lot of people. All right, so, and we have said in many of the videos that anytime we are going to start our business, we're going to start mentoring people, we are going to do a live video, a live sessions. Okay, we're going to do it. All right, so this is the time. So that's why I'm coming to you now to show you what we are going to do, or what we have done already. So this is the site for you to come in and get your mentorship. Okay, I will be there waiting for you for your mentorship. So you have three types of packages there: the silver, the gold, and the diamond. Okay, so the silver package is you come in there, you learn as much as you can. All the tutorial videos are for you, all the available resources are there. You gain as much as you can, powerful strategies and indicators and expert advisors, if available, they are all yours. Okay, but the gold member also have everything the silver has. In addition, it can have 2 hours of mentorship. Okay, so let's say you want to have a brush over. Look, man, I just want to brush over just quickly about my strategy. You know, I've been using a strategy. I want to see if that strategy actually is very good, or it could stand the test of time. Okay, 2 hours might be enough for you, but you might be somebody say, look, man, I just want a total kind of understanding, and I want to have as much time as possible. In fact, 3 days, because this 6 hours is going to be 3 days, 2 hours every per day. So you sit down with a mentor, with me, and then I will coach you for those 3 days. I will choose a strategy based on your own psychological setup and what pleases and what can work with you for you, and then we decide. Okay, so you can browse it. You can see a lot of what people have said about us. You know, people already saying they are making money using these strategies that we teach. So but when you sign up, okay, when you sign up, you log into your account. Okay, when you log into your account, you have a special section there for you where you have tons of videos, tons and tons of videos. Okay, somebody just said that they were looking for my videos on YouTube and they couldn't find it. Okay, because when I post some videos like the MACD strategy that I posted, some of you have watched it already. Double MACD strategy is one of the most watched video on YouTube in terms of MACD, but it's no longer there because it's now on your TradeMentor.com website. So if you search for some of my very, very good videos, you might not find it there again because it's now meant for the members. So here we come. So you come here, you register, and then you have access to all the videos and all the other resources. And the other thing is we have a store. Okay, when you get a store, there are a lot of products in the store that will cost money, but as a member you will get a coupon that will make all the products to become $0 to you. You pay nothing, $0 to you. Okay, so I will make a bigger announcement. This is just to let you know when you can register, but you can't register yet. But I will let you know in the next few days when you can start to register. Okay, so it's going to be powerful because we are going to form a very solid team, and we're going to trade live together. We're going to have a live trading room where we will use different strategy. Probably you will see SBS live. Great stuff. Okay, any question before we do the last bit before we go? Any questions? So this is Italy. Let's see, this is Italy stock market. Let's see what happened today. Okay, this is Italy. Let's see how SBS performed there. So what is been okay. See the stock market, they were all the same shape today. This is American session yesterday. This is Europe session today. And that's American session today. Okay, thank you so much. All right, what time is the American session? Okay, for the American session, 14 to 15. We put 14 to 15. Okay, thank you, Omar. How do you make the payment? Okay, payment will be through PayPal or credit card. So, but I want to make sure that it is not something that will scare you at all. You won't get there and say, oh, it's $1,000. No way. So this is friendly and this is for you. Okay, so once the announcement is out, you will see the whole package, the full thing. You will know that that is for you. So nothing to scare you at all. That thing is yours. It is yours. You've been waiting for it. Okay, anybody wants to see anything else? All right. So Aussie Japanese yen. Do I need? What's that? What is that? What do you mean? Oh, right. So let's do one more before we go. What do we do? Let's do gold. Yes, I said we should do one metal. Let's do gold. Okay, this is gold today? Okay, all right, gold today. First of all, you notice the size of this box is huge. So when the size of the box is huge, sometimes you have to be careful. But what do we mean by huge? Huge means compared to what is happening before. So this was Asian session. Let's see what happened yesterday. That's American session yesterday. You can see compare this and this is a bit bigger. Okay, it doesn't mean you can't trade it, but just be careful, because when it's massive, it means even before you can get out of the range, it will be almost the entire session. Before you can get out of the range, it's going to be entire session. Okay, all right, you want to see GBP USD? All right, I think we've done that, but nevertheless we'll go back. All right, so this is GBP USD. Is this today? Yes, this is today. All right, so GBP USD in the Asian market. This is Asia market, GBP USD. So you got TP1 probably, or just TP1. Might not be up to TP2, but maybe you can squeeze that out. Then from there you move to Europe. You move to Europe market here. And Europe market, you got into trade here, right? You make TP1 as well. That's a good one. I think we analyzed that already. And if you are trading American, you come here, you put American box there, and if you sell here, you are still in the market, so it hasn't closed. And the danger of a big box, the danger of having a very massive box is that it takes time to get out of the box, out of the range. Okay, so if we measure the size of this box, let's see what it is. Well, it just look big. It's only 42 pips. Yeah, it's not too big, it's not too massive. So if you have sold here, you will still be in the trade, but it's going nowhere. So an Asian session is like that, it's coming. So if you have your indicator and you see a vertical line like this, because some people have asked me that question, that there's a trouble, they have the indicator is not good, it's giving them wrong lines. No, it is okay. So what happened is this line will become smaller when it gets to that point. When the price trades at that time, then this box changes. This box becomes the right size, but initially it will show like this. Okay, so don't be worried about it too much. It's just the way the indicator has been designed. All right, thank you so much. Do you need to watch all your video to understand? No way, you don't have to watch all the videos. Actually, I thought you will only need to watch one. Okay, and the next thing is you need to practice. What you need to do actually is to come to the Telegram group. Okay, I'll send you the link, because over there everybody is trading that strategy. So it means you have people to ask questions from, and you can compare your chart with other people's charts. Okay, that is Telegram group for you, so you can click and join it. You want to see Mr. Dare? Okay, you will see me. You want to buy something for me? All right, what can you buy for me? Buy me GBP USD. No, the indicator is free. I mean, people know me from YouTube channel. I must have given out over 100 indicators over the years. I have charged $0, nada, $0 from anybody. In fact, some people they were selling my indicators in my name. You know, they were faking people out, saying, "Oh, Make More 8 is selling indicator." Never sold anything to anybody. So it's well and good. So the username 713, it is free, man. It's free. Don't buy an indicator. So when you sign up, when you join the Telegram group, the indicator will be in this list here. Okay, so files, I think. Okay, so if you want to search files, yeah, this is it. This is sessions. That's the indicator you need. Just join this group. It's called the Forex Simple Breakout Strategy, and search for sessions, or just scroll, you find session indicator. If anybody say bring money, say Mr. Dare say it is free. It is free, no sale, $0. Okay, excellent. All right, any other question? I hope we enjoyed today. I do enjoy today. Thank you so much. It's a wonderful day. It's a wonderful time being with you all. Okay, any more questions? Any more from anybody before we round up? Okay, so wait for the announcement, ladies and gentlemen. It's coming very soon, and the competition is starting on Monday. Surely you want to be here. Okay, you want to be here. Make sure you are in this competition. If you are SBS trader, if you are trading SBS, make sure you are in this competition. Okay, go through the joining method. Just join it, and then if you need help to join, already there's a video that Trader Newbie has made for us. Through that video you can join. It's so easy. Okay, that is the video. This video will show you how to join. So he has created the video, and you can see it is the same site we have been to. All right, thank you so much, everybody. I appreciate your time tonight. I hope you had a good